Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or on the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Mind segment, we elaborated on the first type of learning style, namely the visual learning style. In this episode, we will analyze the second type of learning style, namely the auditory or oral learning style. Nature of auditory learning style. Auditory or oral learning style is a style of learning in which an individual learns more efficiently by listening. Oral learners learn best by hearing information. They remember information better when it is delivered through sound or speech rather than in written form. They tend to get a great deal out of lectures and are good at remembering things they are told. They read aloud to remember and retain information better. Oral learners prefer to listen to class lectures or a podcast about the course material rather than reading it from the textbook. They learn better when they take in information in auditory form, that is, when it is heard or spoken. They tend to sort their ideas after speaking or hearing rather than thinking ideas through before, since saying things aloud helps them understand a concept better. Hence, auditory learners rely on speaking and listening as their primary way of learning. For instance, if oral learners are learning a second language or a new theory, they learn best when the information is presented through strategies involving talking, such as lectures, group discussions, reading aloud and repeating lessons, listening to audio recordings of lessons, or a classmate explaining the course material. As a result, auditory learners may experience challenges when they receive instruction or information in written form, while they can clearly understand when the information is given in auditory form. Thus, individuals having an auditory learning style are good listeners who can easily remember information they hear or information that has been spoken. For example, auditory learners may remember everything that was said during a work meeting, but may have hard time recalling information that was outlined in the written work report. They can excel in professional positions such as guidance counselors, customer service professionals, attorneys, judges, sound engineers, and language pathologists. Strengths of auditory learners. Auditory learners are good at explaining ideas out loud. They have a knack for understanding changes in tone of voice. They are skilled at oral reports and lecture presentations. They are unafraid to speak up in public. Persons having oral learning style follow verbal directions well. They are effective members of study groups and are able to work through complex problems by talking out aloud. They are gifted storytellers and have good memory for stories they have heard. Likewise, auditory listeners possess strong listening skills and enjoy listening to lectures, speeches, music, and other auditory materials. They have increased recollection of spoken information as they have strong memory for sounds. They are capable of scoring good marks in oral exams as they learn best through verbal communication and are talented at explaining ideas verbally. Strategies for auditory learners. If you are an auditory learner, you can use the following strategies to learn new information. First, listening to background classical lyricless music while studying or doing a task can provide a soothing atmosphere and help auditory learners to focus and concentrate more easily, to reduce distractions, to improve memory and information processing, and to be more productive. Second, asking for verbal direction rather than written communication would help auditory learners to understand the duties involved in a project and to prevent confusions arising from misinterpretation. Third, participating in group discussions provides people with auditory learning style opportunity to engage through conversation and active listening, to share and listen to each other's perspectives, to gain new ideas and insights, and to reinforce memory and retention of information. Fourth, recording class lectures or proceedings of meetings would facilitate oral learners to listen to the course material or what was talked during meeting many times and at their own pace, making learning simpler and to remember easily important information. Fifth, reading aloud assignments would be beneficial to those with auditory learning style to absorb and understand information through listening and to remember, recall, and retrieve memorized or learned information. Sixth, talking through problem situations with a mentor, manager, friend, or oneself can help persons with auditory learning style to digest information about the problem and come up with right solutions. Seventh, finding a buddy to study with would assist oral learners to verbally reinforce information, to understand and internalize key facts, to facilitate retention and memorization of a lot of details, and to apply knowledge to practical contexts. 8. Sitting close to speaker in the room would help auditory learners to hear every word spoken by the speaker, facilitating better absorption and understanding of the content and leading to improved retention and recalling of information. 9th, repeating facts with one's eyes closed allows those with auditory learning style to focus attention solely on the auditory process of hearing, listening and understanding what was spoken and heard, to block visual distractions, and to promote greater retention and remembering of the information. The more auditory learners implement some of the above said strategies in their daily study or work life, the more successful and productive they can be in their studies or work. Tips for working with an auditory learner. Here are a few tips that can improve your efficiency and communication if you are engaging or working with oral learners as a teacher or mentor. First, when teaching and presenting visual aids, reading aloud written information provided to learners and offering verbal explanation of charts, graphs, and diagrams. Second, using debates, question answer sessions, group discussions, and participation in the classroom context to give ordinary learners opportunities to listen to others' ideas and to share their own. Third, incorporating catchy phrases or acronyms when teaching some new information to make it more memorable. For instance, teaching alphabets of a language or colors of the rainbow to children through rhyming songs or catchy and crystallized phrases. Fourth, encouraging auditory learners to read aloud information or record themselves explaining a topic to help them retain knowledge. Similarly, allowing them to record presentations or lectures given in the class so that they can listen to it later. Fifth, providing auditory resources such as podcasts or recorded lectures so that they can listen to on their own and understand the contents at their own pace. Fifth, allowing an auditory learner to take an oral exam instead of a written one. Sixth, creating lesson plans that include a social elements such as paid readings, group work, experiments, projects, and performances. Seventh, allowing people with auditory learning style to listen to approved music during silent study periods. A 2019 study claims that around 30% of people are auditory learners. So, they make up a large group of people you deal with as a teacher, administrator, manager, or any other competence. Hence, it is important to keep this in mind when creating materials for them. In the next episode, we will take up for our consideration the reading, writing, or verbal learning style. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.